Introducing the new Signature Series self-service equipment line from Ryko Manufacturing Company. Ryko has designed the Signature Series line to fulfill all of the equipment needs for owners and operators of self-service car wash sites. The Signature Series line contains everything from large components like the pumping bench, all the way to wand guns and hoses, along with everything in between. The Signature Series equipment line is a car wash owner's complete package when it comes to equipping and operating a self-service car wash site. At the heart of the Signature Series equipment line is the pumping bench. The pumping bench is a modular system designed to fulfill all of your self-service car wash needs. The system features modules for pumps, electronics, RO, and chemical mixing, all incorporated onto one ruggedly constructed pumping bench. The pumping module provides power for up to 12 self-service bays. The pumping module allows easy access to the reliable CAT pumps and fittings with the use of a pump tray that pulls out for servicing. A stainless steel belt guard enhances safety and adds an attractive look. The Signature Series electric control module features an advanced PLC which controls weep water timing, diagnostics, tank level indication, accounting, colored foam timing, and a myriad of other functions. By adding the optional exterior diagnostic display, a car wash owner can tell at a glance how his car wash equipment is operating. The Signature Series can include a reverse osmosis spot-free rinse module incorporated on the bench. This RO system can be equipped with up to 4 RO membranes for maximum effectiveness. It can also be utilized and shared with automatic vehicle wash system operation. With the Signature Series chemical mixing tank module, you can offer your customers all the wash selections they want, including the popular tri-foaming brush and tri-foaming conditioner options. Adjusting the chemical mixtures is quick and easy, making fine-tuning your wash options quick and easy. One of the ways your car wash can stand out among the competitors is by offering customers convenient ways to pay for your services. The Touch and Go credit card acceptance system lets your customers use their credit card to pay for any service on your site. The Touch and Go credit card acceptance system issues a code your customer can use to pay for services at your self-service bays, automatic bays, vacuums, and vending machines. Customers will love the ease and convenience of paying for all their car care needs in one easy step. And you'll love the profits the Touch and Go will generate. Keypad-activated self-service equipment allows your customers to use any of your services with just the touch of a finger. Imagine being able to pay for a self-service car wash, vending products, and vacuum with coins or with a code. Ryko's keypad-activated self-service equipment makes it possible. The keypad activation system, used in conjunction with the Touch and Go credit card acceptance system or code generating equipment, is available for Ryko self-service bay meters, Ryko vending units, Ryko Velocity vacuums, and Ryko Vortex combination vacuums. Customers will appreciate having more options to use when paying for services. The Signature Series equipment line is more than just a few parts and pieces. It's everything from booms to wands to hoses. Our Signature Series self-service line covers everything from A to Z. The Signature Series line includes high-pressure spray wands, foaming brushes, floor mat clamps, foaming conditioning guns, and everything else you'll need to complete your self-service car wash bay. The Signature Series bay equipment package also includes colorful signage and menus to inform and instruct customers on the correct use of your car wash facility. Another important part of the Signature Series line is the vacuum product offerings. The Vortex Fragrance Vacuum delivers powerful suction power and also dispenses your choice of 3 pleasing scents. The Vortex Shampoo Vacuum dispenses a rich, deep cleaning shampoo along with potent vacuum power. Our Vortex vacuums are easily activated using cash, code, or if your facility is equipped with the Ryko Touch and Go credit card acceptance system, a credit card. The Vortex line is constructed of rugged stainless steel for long-lasting durability. Each Vortex is powered by 2 potent electric motors and features dual filter bag cleanout. The attractive Velocity vacuum has the power to take care of your customers' car care needs. This round-style vacuum is constructed of rugged stainless steel and features a powerful electric motor and 2 filter bag design cleanout. The Velocity vacuum offers a variety of activation methods for convenience to your customers and higher return on investment for you. An attractive vacuum island is essential for drawing customers to your site. The Ryko Vacuum Island, equipped with a colorful and brightly lit canopy, can be spotted day or night. The island is constructed of durable stainless steel and available as a dual or single vacuum mounting. The awnings are available in a variety of bright colors and mounted to the island with an aluminum double post design. There is a wide range of quality self-service and automatic car wash equipment today. Don't necessarily be lured by a low price tag that can mean endless downtime and repairs. Ryko has earned a reputation for commitment to quality and excellence. This has made Ryko's self-service and automatic wash systems the product of choice for most of the car wash industry. The Signature Series self-service equipment line is the answer for the car wash owner and operator who is looking for a complete car care package. If you're already a self-service car wash business veteran, or if you're a first-time investor looking to break into the car wash industry, the Signature Series equipment line is the right choice for you. If you're serious about providing quality wash results for your customers and increasing profits for yourself, you need to get a Signature.